Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Loom. So I just made a video on how to use TeamViewer to remote control into someone's PC or someone's MacBook. But in order to get those instructions first to the person that you're trying to support, I always like to use Loom because what Loom does is you can create an easy to show kind of like a video tutorial of your screen or your desktop on how to use something and how to download something, and then you just send them that link and it actually follows your screencast or your video cast that you made on your monitor or on your screen. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you how to use Loom just to send those instructions to the person on how to download TeamViewer, etc. So Loom, the first thing you want to do is come over here to loom.com and you want to download it for PC or Mac. I'm running on Mac, so once you've downloaded it, I want to show you some of the features that you can do. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your microphone is enabled. And also, you can come over here to your advanced options and you can select screen, use photo for screen, control menu, etc. But I like to just do screen only. So I'm only going to be showing my screen. But if you want to do your screen and your webcam, you can do that as well. But for this example, I'm just going to be using screen because I want to show someone how to download TeamViewer, how to get set up, and what to send. So I'm going to give you an example as if I'm trying to support someone to download TeamViewer, get it installed, send me the session ID, and next. So once I've got Loom installed, you're going to have to download the Chrome extension up here on the top right. Once you have this Chrome extension, the next thing you want to do is just click on it. Now you want to start a video. So I'm just going to hide these advanced options, and I only want to show my screen. So let's do start recording. So now you just select this. I want to record my whole screen, and now I'm going to share. So now I'm going to go through an example of actually supporting a user trying to download TeamViewer. So the first thing you want to do, Mr. Customer or friend, mother, daughter, brother, let's download TeamViewer. Come over here, install it. Once you've installed it, you want to run it on your PC. Click the executable. Once you download it, then you want to provide me your session ID and password, etc. So now once you're finished running your tutorial, you're going to want to just select this, finish recording, that little green button, or stop sharing. I like to click the green button. So now I'm finished my recording, and now it's going to automatically open up another window, and I'll show you exactly what it does. So you play it. Actually supporting a user trying to download TeamViewer. So the first thing you want to do, Mr. Customer or friend, mother, daughter, brother, let's download TeamViewer. Come over here. So now what you can do is there's a title for it. Now you can rename this and saying, this is how you can install TeamViewer. And you can write some notes down here if you want, etc. So now what you want to do is you just want to copy this link. But by default, as soon as you stop sharing, it automatically copies the link and it's already in your clipboard. But what you can do is here, just copy this link. Now you can send this via email, via chat, etc., whatever communication that you want. I'm going to just send this in an email. So I'm just going to send this link in an email like that, and so there's the link for the Loom to be sent, and I'm just going to press send. And you could also test this in another window. I'm going to open up Safari, and now I'm going to paste that link in Safari, and I'll show you what they see. So let's pretend they clicked on it, and now they can watch it. They can see this is how you can install TeamViewer. Of actually supporting a user trying to download TeamViewer. So now, prior to using Loom, I used to do a lot of recordings through Camtasia. Then I'd have to, some kind of video recording software that'll record my screen. Then you'd have to record it, then you'd have to download it, then you'd have to upload it to YouTube, or you'd have to upload it to Vimeo. So it was a long process. It was hard. It was tedious. So I hated doing those videos. Now that Loom has come out, it just makes life so much easier. And especially if you want to make it more personal, you can show your face recording if you want, and it'll record you speaking as well as it'll record your desktop of what you're recording. So anyways, that is how you use Loom. Very easy to use. Just go to Loom, download it. You'll get the Chrome extension. Once you have that Chrome extension, like I mentioned, it's going to automatically copy that shortcut and put it into your clipboard. So anyways, if you do like the video, please subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next one.